So next we're going to have a look at pinning a post to the top of your page that Marina mentioned a little bit earlier on. So what does it mean to pin a post on your Facebook page? Well, Facebook allows you to choose one of your posts that's particularly popular or one that you like or a key message you want to put across and add it up to the top of your page so that anyone having a look at your page will see that straight away. It's the first thing they will see. Now, this pinned post will stay in place until you choose to remove it or change it to something else. So worth keeping that in mind. Maybe cycle it to something different every week or two. But why do we bother pinning a post? Well, of course, it's a highly visible thing. It allows us to get a key message across to anyone coming through to the page. It highlights it to them, essentially. And it can generate lots of engagement. You'll probably notice when you pin a post that you'll get a lot of likes and shares and things on it because generally it's what people are seeing first. So it's likely to get quite a bit of engagement. And of course, on the pin post, you can also add a call to action. So in this one here, we've added a link for people to follow. So a really good way of highlighting your project on the Good Exchange, pin the post, attract people to it, get people to come through and donate. So how do we pin a post? The first thing is we go to our Facebook page and we click on the overflow menu at the top of the post here, which is 3 little dots. Now, if there's already a pinned post, you can click unpin from the top of the page and it will take it off and you can start again. Then we're going to find the post in our timeline that we want to pin, so something relevant to what we're doing at the moment. And again, on this post, we're going to click the overflow menu, which is 3 little dots again, and this time we're selecting pin to top of page. So if you now view the top of your Facebook page, you'll see that the post that you've chosen is at the top with a little pin symbol attached onto it. So anyone visiting the page will see this post straight away.